Hi guys, welcome to Hand Review. For today, I have the blood glucose monitoring system from the brand Touch. Get your results quickly and easily in 5 seconds with just a 0.5 milliliter blood sample. The kit contains 1 Touch blood glucose monitor, 100 Touch blood glucose test strips, one 3-volt lithium battery, one lancing device, 130 gauge twist lancet, and one carrying case. What it's really cool. It's very light to carry on. The results are so quickly. It has an internal memory for 300 readings, 14-day averaging, pre and post meal flagging, alternative site testing, automatic power off, and with just a small 0.5 milliliter blood sample. Just insert the test strip and it automatically recognizes batch codes on the include.